All right, so today we're going to practice what we learned yesterday. So yesterday you guys took some notes, you watched some really cool videos, you got to play with the roller coaster websites. It was pretty cool. Today I want you to practice what you learned. So the first thing we have for you was this video right here with the top 5 scariest roller coasters. I thought it was kind of neat. I thought you would like it. Hopefully you followed the directions whenever you watched the video and you could see the places on the roller coaster that might have the highest potential energy up on the top of the hills, and where they might have the highest kinetic energy when they were going towards the bottom and they were going super duper fast. Next, we're going to walk through these questions right here. So we need to know whether these different scenarios are examples of kinetic energy or potential energy. So this one here, number 2, says a slingshot has been pulled back but has not been let go. So we pulled it back, but we haven't let it go yet. Potential or kinetic energy? If you said potential, you are correct. So it's not in motion, you pulled it back. The potential's there to let it go, but it hasn't happened yet. A baseball has reached its highest point after being hit towards the top of the stadium. So the highest point from the ground, there's a lot of potential there. The higher it is, the more potential we have. So this one would be potential energy. A bobsled is moving at its greatest speed around the final turn. So if it's moving at the greatest speed, we have kinetic energy. A satellite is orbiting the Earth at nearly 20,000 miles per hour. That is way fast. It is in motion. Obviously, if it's going that fast, that is kinetic energy. Number 6 says a grasshopper reaches the highest point in its jump from one plant to the other. If it's the highest point of anything, remember, that is potential. A skydiver is traveling at its fastest speed, which is terminal velocity, when he's falling. If he's going at his fastest speed, that's right, we've got kinetic energy. A girl swinging and she is at her highest point of the swing. So I'll fix that so it says and whenever this goes to you. If she's at her highest point in the swing, that's going to be potential energy. A basketball sits on the rim before falling into the hoop. So it's not moving, but it's sitting way up there on the rim. That's potential energy. A cliff diver just about to jump off an 18-meter high cliff. So he's ready, but he hasn't jumped yet. That's potential energy. Once he jumps, it will turn into kinetic, but he hasn't jumped yet. So we've got a bow and an arrow. We've released the arrow from the bow, and it's traveling towards the target. It's in motion. That is kinetic energy. So y'all are amazing. Tomorrow, we're going to be building roller coasters. So I'm not sure exactly what that's going to look like for you yet, but we'll have more on that tomorrow. We'll see you then.